Morning dear students, welcome to today's English grammar class. We have started studying the fourth lesson, confusing adjectives. Today we will be completing this lesson. We are left with the last part, which is the last part, when to use elder, eldest, and when to use older, oldest. And next, farther, farthest, further, furthest. So we'll see when to use elder and eldest. In your home you have elder people, or you have younger sister, younger brother. So how will you say that they are elder, they are younger? When do you say? Because that is telling me about the relationship. What relation you have with your brother or with the people who stay at your home. Are they more aged than you or less aged than you? That is described by elder and eldest. So elder and eldest are usually used for persons to talk about relationship. It is telling me about the relationships. They are used before a noun. It is used before a noun. Brother is a noun. Member is a noun. I hope you have understood the relationships. Elder means they are bigger than you by age. My elder brother taught me to ride a bicycle. Maybe you are 8 years old and your elder brother is 10 years old. So that 10 years elder brother has taught you to ride the bicycle. They are greater than you or bigger than you by age. They are called as elder, eldest. Eldest means the very aged person at your home is going to be the eldest. Maybe 70 years, 80 years old. He is the eldest. I hope you have understood elder and eldest. Now older and oldest. These two things are used for telling me about the age of the things. Age of things. Though they may be used to talk about relationships. Sometimes I can use for telling the relationship also. But they usually tell me the age of the things. You can see the examples there. The Red Fort is one of the oldest monuments. It is telling me the age of the monument. It is the oldest in India. It is the oldest fort. This bag is older than that one is new. So one bag is older and another one is new. Sabha is older than my brother. Sabha is noun, is the verb. So when I'll be using older and oldest, I'll be using it after the verb and before the noun. Here it is used after the verb. And here it is used before the noun. Monuments is the noun and before that I have used it. Next, solve this exercise on your own. Just understand. My elder sister is a dancer. My sister is a dancer. So what is going to come here? It is a person and relationship. So it is elder. The oldest tree here has its root hanging from its branches. Here I am talking about a thing. I am not talking about the relationship. That is why it is going to come oldest. Next we'll see farther, farthest, further, furthest. Farther and farthest. They tell me about the distance. This too, farther means it is too far. Just see, leave this all. It is far, F-A-R, far. Far means it is very, you can see very, the distance is very far. Farther and farthest are used for distance away from the speaker. She stands far from me means she is staying at a very large distance from you. The school is at the farther end of the road from my house. So the school is far from your house. Just understand, farther and farthest tell me about the distance away from the speaker. I am talking here and the another thing is very far from me. It is telling me about the distance. Next, further and furthest are going to tell me in front what is going to happen. I have stopped here. After that, what will happen? Further. I was studying in a school. Further, I'll be studying in a good college. Means after this, what I'll be doing next, that is going to be further. Further is commonly used to suggest more or additional. So, more or additional. I'll be adding whatever I'm doing now. For that, I'll be adding some more. Addition. They asked us to contact the office for further details about the school timings. Whatever I know, I have said to you about the school. But if you want any more details, additional details, then you have to contact the office person for the further details. That is what is being said. The students collected further information about the dinosaurs from the internet. You have some information about dinosaurs and you want to know some more information. So you are collecting it from the internet. You are adding it. Furthest is commonly used in the same tense as farthest. You can see both are in superlative degree. So they are used in the same tense. Just solve this exercise. Jenny may have to travel abroad for further education. Now she has studied something and she wants to continue her education. So further. My flying disc flew the farthest. You have the flying disc, right? You play with them. So when you are throwing, it will carry some distance. So this disc, when I threw it, it went to the very far distance. It has covered the farthest distance. This G exercise, they have said you what all we studied in this lesson. Use all those confusing adjectives and complete this paragraph. They have given you in the bracket the words which can be used. So choose the correct one and solve them. That's the end of this lesson. And your English grammar portion for the unit test will be from 1st to 4th lesson. Start studying and complete your workbook and notebook. Thank you.